Good morning. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about lemon. So I'm going to go through each of the top oils and some of our favorite products. So lemon's actually the first one I'm going to talk about. Lemon's theme is cleansing. So I like with all oils to create a theme. It makes it so much easier to just remember how to use it. So lemon's theme is cleansing. And this is cleansing for our body, but it's also cleansing for the house. So super easy. I like to have lemon in my water. It tastes really nice. It's really good for our internal system just to help keep the toxins out, flush the toxins out, I should say. So just a drop of lemon in water every day. That's how Ian and I start our day. You can also diffuse it. It's got a really nice uplifting scent. And you can use it in cleansing. So mix it with some vinegar and water, and that's a great non-toxic glass cleaner. You can take it, as long as it's on metal and undiluted, just cleanse your tapware. So if you've got soap scum on your faucet, just take a little lemon on a cotton bud and rub it, and that will come right off. So super easy one to use, one that should be used every day. So if you just live in this environment where there are toxins, let's face it, we all do, take a drop of lemon in your water every day.